In the previous video, we have listed 5 smartphones that will be released in 2022. And now we will provide more info regarding smartphones that will be released in 2022 in this second part. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget 10. We've got the top 5 upcoming phones in 2022 of part 2 for you today. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. FE stands for Fan Edition, which in Samsung land means a more affordable version of a Galaxy flagship. The idea debuted with the Galaxy S20 FE, which delivered a dialed-down but still capable smartphone experience. S21 FE has a 6.4-inch screen with 2340 by 1080 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Galaxy FE is powered by Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm and has a similar appearance as the Galaxy S21 FE. This phone have a 4500 mAh battery with 235-watt fast charging and come in 2 storage variants, 6GB of random access memory plus 128GB and 8GB of random access memory plus 256GB. Galaxy S21 FE 5G's pro-grade camera delivers like-worthy content effortlessly, shooting incredibly realistic photos and videos with superior levels of detail. It has a triple camera setup: 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 12-megapixel wide-angle camera, 8-megapixel telephoto camera, and 32-megapixel selfie camera. Samsung finally revealed the S21 FE at CES in early January, but the phone will go on sale on 11 January. Number 4. Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. This upcoming smartphone is expected to be the most powerful Motorola phone and the highest-end variant of its series. It will have a thin bezel design and a classic Motorola dimple on the back. The phone will come in gray, blue, and some other color variants too. It has a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 1080 by 2460 pixels resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ certification. Edge 30 Ultra will be powered by the newest Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset and runs on the Android 12 operating system. The triple camera setup will have 50-megapixel wide camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2-megapixel depth camera. While on the front there is a single camera setup 60-megapixel wide camera. This phone has a LiPo 5000 mAh battery with 268-watt fast charging, 100% in 35 minutes. Motorola is planning to launch a new flagship device this winter. Codenamed Rogue, the device is going to launch as Motorola Edge 30 Ultra in Europe and presumably Motorola Edge X in China. Number 3. Honor Magic V. Honor is finally ready to get into the foldable arms race, with the Honor Magic V confirmed to debut in China on 10 January. According to Honor CEO Zhao Ming, the Honor Magic V will pack the best folding screen on the market with its most complete structural design. The smartphone is expected to adopt a dual-screen design and could feature an 8-inch internal display and a 6.5-inch external display and a 90 Hz refresh rate and another with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Magic V is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 SoC. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging. As for the phone's imaging smarts, a 50-megapixel camera reportedly leads the line. It's unclear if that shooter will use the Sony IMX700 as seen on the Honor Magic 3 Pro Plus. In a press release today, Honor confirmed it will unveil the Magic V on January 10. Number 2. Huawei P50 Pocket. Huawei has revealed a new foldable phone in China, a compact clamshell called the P50 Pocket. With a form factor similar to the Galaxy Z Flip, the P50 Pocket should live up to its name. It has a main screen, Full HD Plus, 2790 by 1188 pixels, and cover screen, 340 by 340 pixels resolution, and main screen OLED. H50 Pocket is powered by Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 4G and runs out of a MIUI 12 operation system. It has a rear camera, 40-megapixel true chroma camera, 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and 32-megapixel ultra-spectrum camera. This phone has a LiPo 4000 mAh battery with 40-watt fast charging and 5-watt reverse charging. Huawei P50 Pocket was released on 23 December 2021, and it's only currently available in China. Hopefully, this device will be released internationally. Number 1. IQ9 Pro. The IQ9 series will deliver on the value for money factor like its predecessors. It will undergo design changes and come at a lower price than its competitors. The series will have a vanilla and a Pro variant. The IQ9 Pro has an LTPO of AMOLED 6.78-inch screen with 1440 by 3200 pixels resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone is powered by Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8th Generation 14nm and runs out of an Android 12 operation system. The IQ9 Pro has a LiPo 4700 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging, 100% in 90-minute fast charging. Come in 3 storage variants: 256GB with 8GB of random access memory, 256GB with 12GB of random access memory, and 512GB with 12GB of random access memory. It has a triple camera setup with 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 16-megapixel 60mm telephoto. The launch event will take place in China at 11:30 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time. As per the teaser poster shared by IQ, the IQ9 series will debut on January 5 in China.